Hi guys, what's up? So I've been wanting to do this since really long time, but I think I just didn't have the courage. And the reason why am I doing this is because I think it's really important that. So I was still on bed and. I saw someone's story about Sushant Singh Rajput. I was not shocked to see the story, to be honest, but I was speechless. I was really speechless because trust me, it could be anyone, and it's really important to talk about your mental health. And I didn't wanted to come live, and I didn't wanted to do this, to be honest, but I just I just couldn't control because I remember in 2019 I was in major depression, and I never spoke about it. and you know, a lot of people thought that that it's okay to be depressed, and you know, people take it so lightly. People don't treat mental health, people don't act kind towards each other. It's just really sad. I'm 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 out of words. Today it's Sushant, and tomorrow it could be anyone. So I just want everyone to speak about their mental health issues, and you know, because trust me, it's a serious thing. Last year, I swear on God, I was in a relationship with a guy, and things didn't work out with him, and we decided to part ways. And just because I wasn't strong enough to accept the fact that we were not together anymore, so I decided to part ways, and that left me hollow, you know, that left me like it was the end of my world. And trust me, I was at a point where I tried taking my life, and but something kept fighting from inside of me, and I remember I googled that how to not commit suicide. I literally googled this last year, and then suddenly I found this therapist number, Pal therapist. I gave him a call instantly. I told him anything, that listen, I don't want to die. I remember I was crying, and I told him I don't want to die. And I kept crying for half an hour. Just give me a second, guys. Can you leave the room for 2 minutes? And after that, he said that just let it out, just talk to me with whatever's going on, with whatever's going on. And then I started from the beginning, and I told him everything, and I spoke to him for 3 hours that day. And trust me, I swear, if I hadn't spoke to that therapist, I wouldn't be here. So मेरा भी कोई न्यूज़ आ रहा होता है ऐसे that I've committed suicide, this and that, but no one takes depression seriously. That sucks. Most of my friends from Delhi, they thought that she's just crazy and she's stupid, she's psycho, she's not normal. But what would they know that I was fighting. I was not sorted in my head. And so all I want to say is that, guys, depression, it's a real thing. Trust me. I'm really happy in my life right now. And I mean, it took me 4 months to come out of that depression, and my therapist really helped me. Also, I started reaching out to my friends, and I spoke to them. I used to share everything, and they never used to judge me, because my true friends knew what I was going through, how much I was fighting. I want everyone to be a fighter. And people who think it's funny, they can laugh. Trust me, those people are heartless. So you should not surround yourself with such people who think that it's funny, and guys and girls, you can't be depressed. Depression क्या होता है? अरे depression कोई बीमारी होती है? Depression कुछ भी नहीं होता. Trust me, it's high time that we take mental health, depression seriously, because the reason why these suicides and everything is happening in 2020 is because 2020 में लॉकडाउन लगा, एंड यू नो देयर वर काम वगैरह सब बंद हो गया. so many things were there and people could not talk about it, and they just, and trust me, I read it somewhere that depression, ये सुसाइड करना कोई 1 सेकेंड का खेल नहीं होता है कि हाँ अभी मैंने बिल्डअप हो रहा होता है यार. इंसान अंदर से ख़त्म हो रहा होता है. इट्स लाइक कि उसको कोई समझ ही नहीं पाता. ट्रस्ट मी, समटाइम्स यू नो कुछ पेरेंट्स भी ऐसे होते हैं जब पेरेंट्स को पता ही नहीं है कि डिप्रेशन भी एक मेंटल हेल्थ इशू है, एंड यू नो वी शुड टॉक अबाउट इट. नो वन अंडरस्टैंड्स दैट. So it's really important that we need to talk. If you really love someone, if you really care for someone, and if you think that you really want that person to be with you, speak about it, talk about it. Do not leave your friends. Do not make, if your friend wants to cry about her ex-lover or his ex-lover, then please listen about it, even if they want to sing the same story over 5 times, 6 times, because they're just trying to get over it. Trust me, it's really difficult to fight, but with right set of friends, with right professional help, anybody can fight it. And guys, if you think you have any friend, you know, who recently went through a lot, or had a heartbreak, or had some family issues going on, or you think some changes behavior, somebody wants to isolate them or anything, poke them as much as you want. Do not leave them alone, because trust me, it takes hardly 5 seconds to get that, to reach their point, because सब कुछ build-up हो रहा होता है, to reach their point, and just take a rope, tie it around your neck and end your life. And then फिर बस regrets रह जाते हैं loved one के, काश हमने ऐसा कर लिया होता, काश हमने वैसा कर लिया होता. So this is what I wanted to share, and I was like, fuck it, this time I'm not gonna stay quiet, because I just felt so heavy. I mean, I just couldn't take it. So also another thing, now that I'm out of depression, and you know uh, 2020 was not this horrible for me because my therapist really helped me. My sister was here, my friends were here, and I used to talk to them. I'm working on new things, new projects. I'm really happy in life, and I wouldn't have gotten this happiness if I wouldn't, try to reach the professional help. Also, another thing, another myth. People think having a counselor or a psychiatrist is a taboo. If you're consulting a psychiatrist or a counselor, that means you're crazy. Trust me, you're not crazy. You're just intelligent that you're taking this as a serious issue, that it can, your life is precious than anything, man. You shouldn't care about the society. Society is just gonna post few stories about you, RIP this, RIP that. Oh my god, I can't believe this is breaking my heart. And then the next day, they'll forget you. People who will be left in shock, it will be your family members. It will be your loved ones who will be left in pain. So you need to think about them. Forget about the society and reach for professional help. If any of my fan or my family or जो भी ये life देख रहा है, if any of you are going through depression or you think that you're feeling alone or you're getting any negative thoughts, please DM me. After this live, I will share my counselor's number here. Do reach out to him if you think that you need professional help, and there is no harm in seeking professional help. Trust me on that. So guys, this was it. This is what I wanted to say, and I'm just so glad and I feel so lightheaded now that I've let it out. I've just let it out all. I feel so amazing now. And that's one thing. Whenever you feel like you feel so heavy, your heart is so heavy, just let it out. Trust me. With tears. You wanna cook. You wanna do punch on a punching bag. You wanna go for gym. You wanna dance, go dancing. Whatever is helping you taking out that frustration, that anger, that all those feelings inside of you, do it. Trust me, it will help you. When I started this live, I was full of emotions. I wanted to cry as much as I can. And now I feel relaxed. I feel light. I feel like, wow, I've let something off from my heart. So guys, this was it. And if you're also going through something like this, don't be afraid. Go. If you want to go live. Do not. People who say, oh ये तो publicity stunt है, ये live जाके live पे रो के लोगों की sympathy gain करना चाहती है, लोग अपने followers बढ़ाना चाहते हैं, do not give a fuck about them. You do good thing, you do bad thing, society will talk. It doesn't matter. Society doesn't give a fuck. Society just wants to talk. And society किन लोगों से बनती है? हम ही लोगों से बनती है. So do what you like, what makes you happy. If you will care about society, you'll never be happy. Trust me on that. So please stay happy, stay strong, reach out to your friends, talk to your family. If people are not understanding, if people around you, your friends are not understanding, your family is not understanding, seek out professional help. If you will type on Google any counselor number or therapist number, there'll be so many. And trust me, initially they don't even charge. Please reach out and seek help. Thank you.